Welcome back to Overheat 2026 Integra Motorhome, a better way to travel in luxury. Beautiful and practical outside, a more modern and aerodynamic design, the Integra is probably going to have smoother, more aerodynamic lines and a more modern design language. Advanced LED lighting, LED technology is probably going to be used across the exterior lighting system, including accent lights, turn signals, headlights, and taillights. Improved external features include a new entry door that may have a built-in smart lock system and a smoother mechanism, a bigger, easier-to-reach storage space with a safe locking mechanism, and inside lights. Comfortable and elegant interiors, adaptable and creative layouts, Integra is probably going to provide a range of interior layouts that optimize both space and functionality, high quality components and sophisticated finishes, the use of premium materials like soft-touch surfaces, gorgeous hardwood floors, and velvety leather. Modern appliances including full-size refrigerators, induction cooktops, convection ovens, microwaves, and possibly dishwashers will be featured in state-of-the-art kitchens. Connectivity and entertainment combined, a sizable central touchscreen for managing the motorhome's entertainment, lighting, HVAC, and GPS systems. There are smart TV alternatives with streaming app integration in the living room and bedrooms, powerful and efficient engine options. In accordance with the most recent pollution standards, Integra is probably going to have engine options that are both powerful and fuel efficient. Smooth and responsive shifting will be guaranteed by sophisticated automatic transmissions. Sturdy and comfy chassis, Integra will keep using a chassis made to offer excellent handling, stability, and riding comfort. Improved driver assistance features ADAS. We can anticipate improved ADAS integration, such as stop-and-go adaptive cruise control ACC, assistance with lane keeping,